Hello everyone, this is Sandy from MK Energy. Today I will introduce our stackable lithium battery to you. Here are two stackable lithium battery models 15 kWh that our company is promoting. One is floor standing type. Another one has the wheels, which can easily to move to meet different customers' requirements. Each battery can work independently with high reliability and safety. This stackable lithium batteries combines multiple single lithium battery into an integrated system to achieve higher voltage and capacity. Our MK Energy stackable lithium battery has a voltage range of 25.6 to 51.2 voltage, with the capacity 100 to 400 ampere hours and the life cycle up to 6,000 times. Please look at LCD screen here. Here we can check the battery information through the menu button and click the enter to check the voltage, current, capacity, and temperature. Let's check the battery capacity. Here shows the state of charge, the battery, and the remaining capacity, and the life cycles. The life cycles is calculated how many times you used. Let's check the temperature. Here we can see NTC temperature, air and PCB temperature. Next, let's have a look how to connect the inverters. We can connect the inverters through RS485. Let's enter. For example, we can see the mainstream inverters in the market: Helen, Growatt, Watronic. We also can match different brand inverters through CAN bus interface. Let's enter. Like Pylon, Victron, Goodway. Also, we can add the RS232 interface on the battery. Let's click the enter. The inverter setting is okay. Compared with a single battery pack, this stackable lithium battery pack has higher output power and capacity. It can be applied to a wider range of fields, such as home energy storage system, small industrial and commercial scenarios, and energy storage power stations. Above is a brief introduction about our stackable lithium batteries. If you want to get more information about our lithium batteries, please contact us. Have a good day. Bye-bye.